right. San Gimignano. This is my favorite Italian medieval town that I've been to. My most favorite. This is where I found my nirvana. I love this town. I'm gonna get a little emotional because I didn't know that I'd be back this soon. So it's a stunning town. It's stunning views. Parking sucks though. It is not easy to find a place to park. We were going to go to the second parking lot because that put you closer to the center of the town, but it was full, and we ended up down at the third or fourth parking lot, which is a ways away. So we're still outside of the main center by a long shot. The big door knockers. All right, I'm going to pause here, wait for my group to catch up. This is the bull buggy.
Alright, from San Gimignano. Ristorante La Stella, Restaurant of the Stars.
Oh, no.
It's my favorite town in Italy, as I said in the last section. Probably gonna be pretty emotional. This is a town where I found my nirvana. It's a total peace. And the minute I walked through the gate, I could feel it coming on again. I think that's what we all search for in life. That we're looking for our little piece. I found it.
All right, we're heading toward the city center. As you can see, there's lots of shops. It is a very busy tourist town. All right, Plaza del Duomo. There's the bell tower.
On va demander au...
Piazza della Cisterna, where the well is located. Get a video of the cistern. Tabacceria, Tabachi, where they sell tobacco and like a little convenience store, wine store, like another wine store, restaurant, gelateria with a big old long line. Big old long line. Look at that line. They're all waiting to get gelatos. Must be really good. I think that's where I had gelato when I was here 6 months ago. And it is that time of day. The restaurants are going to start closing down. It's getting around 2:30, 2:40. Some of the restaurants will stay open, and some of them are going to close and prepare for their dinner times. Okay, I gotta shut off here because I gotta find my way to the other part of town that I want to show you guys. All right, we're heading to a panoramic point. And this is where I fell in love with Italy. Totally and completely in love. No ifs, ands, or buts. There are tons of these views all across this country, but this is the one that got me. Yeah, the mountains way back in the background. All the hills and valleys in between. So green. Cute little houses. It's such a wonderful, wonderful place. All right, I got composed a little bit. I'm sorry I get very emotional when I'm here. See the olive trees. The olive trees are there. There's vineyards there, more olive trees, more vineyards. The food is amazing here. You know, in my previous video, we'd eaten at La Stella, Ristorante La Stella. Excellent food. Pappardelle with cinghiali sauce. It was awesome. Oh my gosh. Had a formaggio mista, which is a mixed cheese platter. Not a bad cheese on the whole plate. They give you honey and caramelized onions, olive oil. It's the bomb. If you're a foodie, this is a place to be. I kid you not. Tuscany, Umbria, this part of Italy is just amazing. And I know there's going to be people that say, well, you got to eat here, you got to eat there in Italy too. It's all fantastic, I'm sure. Eating food in Rome, you know, Tuscany, and all through Umbria now. So very, very impressive. The food, the wine, people, the views, the air is clean. It's very, very peaceful. It's quiet. I love it so much compared to the chaos that is the United States. So. I just want to film the building that's in front of this lookout. Can you imagine living like there and you just step out and see this view every day? It's gorgeous. What a way to start your day and end your day even.
It's a hotel.
Oh, it is a hotel, isn't it? Yeah, San Gimignano still. Trying to find the statue that I found last time I was here. We're gonna see if it's up here. There's those water fountains I always talk about. You know, you can get drinking water. Actually, one of the towns we were in, somebody hooked their garden hose up to it, and they were watering their plants with it, which is genius. There are signs typically, but they're all for restaurants. Almost all for restaurants. Some big old doors.